Good morning, guys. We are in Lido Olgarino in Scalea today. It's a little bit foggy out, but it's quite warm, and the breeze is just wonderful. I'm here with Christy.
Hello.
Say hi, Christy.
Hello.
Say hi to Justin and Michael. We've missed them so much.
I know. I miss them. Hello. You're missing out, boys.
Oh,
You could be
yeah.
with us right now.
Yeah. Christy found another great place. And look at this. This is Pesce Spada Mediterranea, which is, it's swordfish, and it's got tomatoes and capers and all my favorite olives of different kinds and stuff like that. And of course, we can't live without the patatini fritti. So in order to get here, look for Lido Olgarino and walk through the gelateria, which we're going to walk on the way out and probably get something there. It's a wonderful day here, beautiful food, lovely staff. We're loving it. Okay, so Christy went all out and she ordered the friselli, which is like, it's supposed to be like a crepe, but it looks like a flatbread envelope. What else is on there?
Crunchy. It's like, you know those hard crunchy bread things
yeah.
they do with the olive? They put the oil on it to soften it.
Yeah.
And I think it's what, mozzarella or burrata. And
you got a little burrata, you got some prosciutto, you got all kinds of
fruits.
vegetables. What's that in the middle? Is that a sweet potato or a carrot or?
Interesting, yeah,
Ooh,
right?
wow.
I guess it's a
melon, maybe?
Ooh, interesting.
Okay.
A squash?
Maybe it's a squash. We'll tell you as soon as we figure it out. She's going to have to taste it. Look at that slab of watermelon. That looks so refreshing on a nice warm day. Oh my gosh. That's fabulous. I'm having that next time, guys.
Wait, this is why I wanted to come here.
I know. It's pretty fabulous. Okay, dig in, dear.
Yum, yum.
So these ice creams are so good. I had the macchiatone, which is coffee and white chocolate. And then I had this one here, Sardinia, which is honey. So good, and ricotta cheese. They're very unusual gelatos. They're not your average gelatos. So you guys have to come down here and get them. Oh, so good.